Today we are going to install the Data Terminal software and set up the user data. We are going to start by installing the PGT120 software. Select your preferred language and the Data Terminal Setup wizard will come up. Select where you would like your Data Terminal files to be saved at. Most of the time this is in your C drive in your program files. Once the installation is finished, you can launch the Data Terminal software. You are going to locate where you selected for the Data Terminal software files to be saved at. Open the folder and select the SQLite Studio. Select Databases in the top left corner, followed by Add Database. Name your database file. For this purpose, we will name it TTDemo. Hit OK and right-click your database file to connect it. Then right-click again and edit the database. Copy the database file and click on the Daemon Tool software. Under Measurement, Database, and User Database, paste the database file after the equals sign. Hit Apply to save the database connection. You can then return to SQLite and set up the user data. Once the table is connected, you can set up the user data. Click on User Data, then on Data, and add the amount of rows you need. The ID column will always be the number 1. Access is which terminal the user may access, for example Turnstile 1 or Turnstile 2. The user ID column is where you will put the user's RFID card number, keypad code, magnetic card number, or any number assigned to the user. Name is the first name and F name is the last name. The profile column allows you to set which test the user must pass. For example, you can have them only take a wristband test. Print is the option to have the test results printed on a sticker for each employee. Once you are done setting up the users, save your table by selecting Commit Changes and then refresh your database trees. Thank you for viewing another one of our videos on the PGT120.com. Please refer to the backdrop if you have any questions or concerns for our team. Thank you.